Hello everyone. Today's my topic is the endocrine system. The endocrine system is the group of glands which secretes the hormone into the bloodstream. The hormones are the chemical messengers secreted by the endocrine glands directly into the bloodstream. These are responsible for various actions in the body. There are around 50 hormones secreted by the endocrine glands. Uh, Near about 12 endocrine glands secreted these hormones. The uh, the main part of the endocrine system is the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is located in the dicephalon region of the brain. Hypothalamus is responsible for connect the endocrine system with the nervous system. The hypothalamus, the main role of hypothalamus is to tell the pituitary gland when to start the making hormone and when to stop the making hormones. Then the next is pituitary gland. It is the master gland. It is connected to the hypothalamus with the help of infundibulum. The pituitary gland is regulates the secretion of all uh, secretion of hormones. It regulates the other endocrine glands. So the pituitary gland is called the master gland. Then we see the all glands and the hormones secreted by those glands one by one. So the first one is pineal gland. It is the small uh, pine cone shaped gland present in the behind the dicephalon region in the brain. It regulates the sleep cycle, that is at the night. uh, in the dark mode, pineal gland secretes the melatonin hormone, which is responsible for the sleeping. Then when in the morning sun rays hit the eyes, the retina of the eyes transfer signal to the brain, and the then pineal gland stop the secretion of melatonin. Then next gland is the thymus gland. The thymus gland secretes the thymosin hormone, which is responsible for the development and maturation of T lymphocytes. It generates the progenitor cell and from them produces the T lymphocyte cells. It is a uh, it, it is responsible for the body's immune system. Then the next is a thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is present in the neck region just below the larynx. Thyroid gland secretes the T3 and T4, that is thyroid hormone, which is responsible for metabolism and calcium level balance. The uh, pituitary glands secretes TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, which stimulate the thyroid gland for the secretion of thyroid hormone. Uh, then the uh, parathyroid gland are present on the surface of thyroid gland. The two pairs of parathyroid gland on the right and left side of the thyroid gland uh, secretes the PTH hormone, that is the parathyroid hormone. It secretes when the the calcium level in the blood decreases. Then the thyroid gland also secretes the calcitonin, which is responsible for reuptake of the calcium from the blood. Then the next gland is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is located on the top side of the both kidneys. There are two parts of adrenal gland, that is adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. The adrenal cortex secretes the hormone cortisol, which regulates the uh, glucose, protein, and glucose level. Then the uh, androgen. Androgen is responsible for the secondary sexual characteristics in male, and estrogen is responsible for the secondary sexual characteristics in female. Then aldosterone, it is responsible for the electrolyte balance. Then the adrenal medulla secretes the epinephrine and norepinephrine. It is secreted in the fear and fight condition, during the stress condition. Then the next gland is pancreas. It is the dual gland, which is endocrine gland as well as the exocrine gland. It secretes the insulin and glucagon, which is responsible for the maintaining of glucose level in the blood. The alpha cell of pancreas secretes the glucagon, which converts the glycogen into the glucose, and it's released into the blood. Then beta cell of pancreas secretes the insulin when the blood glucose level is increases. Then insulin converts the glucose into the glycogen and stored in the liver. Next is the sex glands and its hormones. The ovaries in the female and the testes in the male. The testes secretes the testosterone, which is responsible for the secondary sexual characteristics in male and reproduction. Then, uh, then the ovaries in female secretes the estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is responsible for secondary sexual characteristics in female, then maintaining the menstrual cycle and mood swings. Then the progesterone is secreted during the pregnancy. It is responsible for the development of a uterus, and it is also responsible for the development of breast. Then the next is the gut hormones. The cholecystokinin is responsible for the stimulation of gallbladder for the secretion of bile juice. Then next is secretin. It is responsible for the stimulation of pancreas for the secretion of pancreatic juice. Then next is ghrelin. It is responsible for the increase of appetite. It provides the signal to the brain that the body needs to feed. Then the next is gastrin. It is responsible for the secretion of gastric juices in the stomach. These are all glands is regulated by the pituitary gland, which is a master gland. Pituitary gland has two lobes, that is anterior lobe and posterior lobe. The anterior lobe of pituitary secretes the seven hormones, and the posterior lobe of pituitary secretes the three hormones. The anterior lobe of pituitary secretes luteinizing hormone, follicular stimulating hormone, then the prolactin, then adrenocorticotropic hormone, then thyroid stimulating hormone, uh, and then growth hormone and melanin. And the posterior pituitary lobe secretes the uh, oxytocin and the uh, ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, which is responsible for the electrolyte balance. And oxytocin is act on the uterus and the mammary gland. So this is all about the endocrine system. Thank you.